I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 14. This is gonna be a long one. I see so much in here. I already see a pretty box. Let's kind of start with what we have. There is a gold curling ribbon here, nothing too exciting. Next we have, oh wait, I think I actually need one of these. This is to sort beads, I believe. You put them in there and then you could like dump them easier into little baggies. So that I'm gonna save for the shop. We have some Ad Tech tape runners, or at least one. I use these. I don't know what the different colors are for. I've seen purple, blue, and now yellow. I normally use the blue one, so we'll set that aside for me. This is, how cute, a guide on standard card dimensions. It's probably kind of hard to see. I turned off the ring light. I know it helps with lighting, but honestly, this looks a lot better. It's not blaring in our eyes now. Looks like some test paper for alcohol ink or stamping, probably alcohol ink, and a little bit of scraps. There is a little container full of paint. I love all the storage solutions we've been finding. I know everyone else has been super excited about them, but these cute little clear containers are just perfect, especially for displaying things like paint, where you can get like a nice little rainbow array, just like I arrange my rainbow stuff in the background. So these are all Craft Smart paint, nothing high value, but you know, we could always use acrylic paint in our shop. I swear we never, ever have enough in stock. Ooh, I see something shimmery. Cosmic Shimmer Gilding Flakes. This is the same brand that had those pink ones. I think oops, I probably shouldn't open these. I was gushing over the pink ones, and there is some pretty gold. That is fun. These have like little flecks of green in them, and I can never talk. They have little flecks of green in them as well. So that's pretty cool. Then we have a tool here called an AF mat. No idea what that's for. I hope it's a crafting tool. Let's set that aside. We have a little glass jar that's empty but cute, and some alcohol lift ink for Tim Holtz re-inking. Alcohol lift ink pad. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I do use a lot of the Tim Holtz and Ranger products, so I will set that aside in case it's something that I need and don't know that I need. This has alcohol in it, so that's probably just gonna get tossed away because we don't really know what's going on in there. Oh, I think this was just random stuff that was taking off the desk. So like towards the end, well, first of all, if you're new here, let me explain. I recently purchased an entire collection of craft supplies. Mini stencil mat. Oh, is that so you can line up the guide, like to guide the stencil so it doesn't slide? I think I'm gonna need to keep that one. I want to get way more into stenciling. But yeah, sorry, I interrupted myself. I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies because she is moving closer, or I guess has moved now by the time this is out, has moved closer with her family and just couldn't take everything with her. And she had like 5 entire rooms full of craft supplies. So she contacted me so that I could come buy them and resell them in my shop. She wanted to make sure that they went to a good home. And my store, called Bottom of the Bin, is a secondhand art and craft supply shop. Look at all these cute paintbrushes. Located in Tampa Bay, Florida. And normally we just take stuff in on trade-in, like people trade stuff they don't want for store credit, and then we give them credit that they could use. That way we can keep art supplies low, affordable, and accessible to all. But we made an exception this time so that we can get this massive collection and made sure it went to a good home. So we go through, I kind of pick what I want first, things that I think I will use for my own crafting so that I can make things for the shop to sell, or for the classes that we host, or things that I can craft on video with you guys to help build our social media channels and our YouTube and stuff. There's a little spray bottle. And this just has been a blast. I mean, there's some more alcohol lift ink. I'm finding so much stuff I know about, stuff that I'm learning about, things that y'all are teaching me about. We're getting some great inventory for our shop. It's been really, really great. Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay White. Oh, I have a collection of these. I think I have all of them, but I know you can never have enough white, so that's a good one. That's a good one to set aside. So pretty much ouch. I don't know what this is, but it stabbed me. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. It almost looks like a dental tool. I'm sure it's for like weeding paper or something like that. But everything you see what I end up not keeping is going to go into my shop for sale. And so if you're local, make sure to keep an eye on our Facebook page, because that's where we put photos of all the new stuff before it hits the sales floor. And if you're not local, you can keep an eye on our eBay, because anything that doesn't sell in our shop or anything we think will just do better on eBay will end up going there. So all the links are in the description or the bio if you want to find any more information. This is a gilding adhesive. Not sure what gilding exactly is, but we'll set that aside. Alcohol blending solutions. I want to get into more alcohol inks. I feel like this stuff will definitely be handy. We have some tape and a little tiny, you're not going to be able to see that. It's like a little needle, a pin. I use these to unclog my pop dots, and certain glues have like really fine tips. What are these, like erasers? I don't, they feel like erasers. Maybe they're replacements for like pencils, or like some sort of nibs for something. Maybe that first tool that we saw, whatever. Oh yeah, whatever this AFMAT is, that's what's in there. I have to do a little bit of more research on that. We've got some scissors. Stop spraying on fabric. Ooh, that's probably super handy. I don't know what this is. Oh, Spellbinders, tool in one. Not quite sure what that does. We have some more of these like little powdered bags that help with embossing, I believe. Oh yeah, this art glitter. This is a great example of a glue that you use the pins. See, she just actually got one in there right now to help keep it from sticking. So you can use that to kind of, I never thought of using it as like a lid per se, but I have some that I use to unclog them when they get clogged. A little mini trash can for your desk. That's seen better days. Some twine. Oh, I think this goes to the Spellbinder tool. I don't know what it's used for, but there's that. A Creative Diary glue stick from Ranger. It's itty bitty. I wonder if that's really strong. I never find glue sticks that I quite like, except for like the Pritt stick, which is from the UK, I think. I like that glue stick probably better than all the ones that I've used, but I'm not a huge fan of glue sticks. I definitely prefer tape runners. And then this is Aleene's Tack It Over and Over repositionable adhesive, temporary hold for appliques, trims, ribbons, and more. That also sounds super handy. We have some double stick foam tape, some feathers, a cute pair of little golden scissors. This looks old, 1990, Founders Stick It Again. So I guess this is like that, the thing we just saw that the aliens stick over. What was it called? Tack It Over and Over. Probably something like that, but I don't think that still works. Oh, this is really cool. I have a couple of these. These are glue erasers. Believe it or not, they were, I swear I can talk. Believe it or not, they work pretty well. So if you have a little bit of like tape runner left over on a card, or, you know, residue from a sticker, these actually work pretty well for peeling those off, depending on the surface, of course. Got a little stamp with some rain boots. Some more glitter. Oh, this doesn't feel like the Crafter Square one for the Cricut. This must be a different brand. I don't know if it's for the Cricut, but it's got kind of a vinyl on the back and then smooth glitter on the front. This is the blue ad tack that I normally use. This is the tape runner I use for my greeting cards and for my journaling really as well. Now this box intrigued me, oops, mainly because it's really pretty and it says sequins on it. So I assume there's sequins in here. There are sequins in here. That is an entire box full of sequins. How fun. Oh no. Oh my gosh. These sequins look like little tiny flowers and they're my favorite colors. I'm definitely going to go through these and pick some for my shaker cards and then put the rest for sale in the shop. There is so much in here. Look at those cute little stars. Reminds me of my childhood. Lots of colors. Oh my gosh, anything like super rainbow and pastel like this, yeah, that's my aesthetic. That is for me. There is definitely some cute stuff in here, some snowflakes, some little flowers. I feel like I could just dig through this one all day. Cute little silver stars. Oh, these are really pretty. They're like sequined hearts. I don't know if you could see those very well. What a fun little find. I mean, this is great. Actually, we really need sequins in the shop as well. I know that we've been running low, so we'll be able to fill up an entire bin with these. Cute. I feel like you could do so much with sequins. Like, I feel like almost anyone can use them. You could use them in card making. You could use them with resin, I believe. You could use them with sewing, obviously. All sorts of different things. This is just some metallic paper. Ooh, wait a second. Hold on. This one's really pretty. It almost has like a rainbow. Okay, that's going to make a super cute card. There's a whole pack of it. Okay, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. Look how cute. There's so much of it. That makes me so happy. I'm definitely going to have fun with these. There's so many more colors too. Uh-oh, we're getting into some of my favorites here. Look how well organized this is. Like, she literally had the label of the paper before you get to it in that stack. But this hot pink color is absolutely gorgeous and perfect. I can't wait to make some cards with these. And speaking of making cards, I want to give a special shout out to the Heritage Pine card makers, specifically Jeannie, who traveled all the way to our shop to come say hello because she saw us on YouTube. I'm so happy that y'all are enjoying the series, the unbinning series, and seeing all the fun stuff that we're finding, and that you made a special trip to come see us. So shout out to you and everyone else who has been doing that. The series has been doing so well. We've been getting so much love. And people have been traveling hours to come see us from all over Florida. I hate to say I'm taking everything, but these are definitely coming with me. Florals and card making is my #1 passion, as you can tell from my background. So this is a wonderful find for me. Oh my gosh, talking about shinies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This shiny sequiny paper is what my crafting dreams are made of. I'm gonna keep them in that bag. Here's a ton more metallic colors. Trying to keep them in order because she did such a good job of keeping them in order. And don't worry, we'll share some of this with the shop. I'll take a little bit of what I want to keep, but I'm not going to use all of this anyway. There is some gold as well, really pretty. These look like maybe they were cut from a gift bag. I've actually done that before. I'm going to do a journal flip through pretty soon, like from my art journal. And I took apart all sorts of stuff, including gift bags, and made really fun paper to use in my collaging with it. We've got some lime green Scotch tape, probably good for like holding paper down when you're painting, and watercoloring, holding down your stencils. This is at Elizabeth Craft Designs that I recently discovered through this haul, and this is shimmer sheets. Say that 5 times fast. Ooh, look at that really pretty black one. Okay, I'm a sucker for paper, you guys. If you can't tell, I'm a sucker for paper. This just makes me so happy. Got some more random goodies in here, including a mister, some tweezers. I also use purple tweezers. A little yellow zipper bag. Bob. Bob just has to come take my moment. Bob, I'm so excited about my paper. What are you doing here? Are you trying to steal the spotlight? I'm having a moment here. Ooh. Background. Ooh, again, I love this container. And look, you can see some probably alcohol ink that she used to make backgrounds. Let's get this open so we could take a better look. These are so pretty. So I know this isn't like a finished project. We were wondering, you know, what she makes and if we can see any of her projects, which I'm trying to see if we can get hold of any. But here's just maybe a little glimpse into some of the stuff that she was doing with her card making. These are all backgrounds that it looks like she made. And again, I really want to experiment more with alcohol ink, but I know you could do this kind of effect with a lot of stuff, including watercolor and, I mean, regular ink, wash, gelatos. shimmer sprays. I mean, all sorts of stuff. You don't need to have alcohol ink to do this. That's really pretty as well. I would love to honor her by making some cards with some of these beautiful backgrounds that she spent time creating. Ooh, look at that one. Also, I should take a quick second to say, if you are watching this and you're not on YouTube, make sure to follow over on there. It is at bottom of the bin _ because the full videos are over on YouTube. Otherwise, you're getting a shorter edited version depending on what platform you're on. So definitely, if you want to see everything, come on over and say hello. And of course, they're, you know, horizontal full screen videos, so you'll get a much better look at what we're doing. If you have any trouble finding anything, just go to bottomofthebin.com, which is our website. And from there, you can find links to all of our socials. This is fun. This might have been done with a jelly plate. I feel like this was jelly plate. Very pretty. There's a couple more random goodies in here, including a spoon. But oh wait, and one of these. This is great for scooping beads. This will go with a little bead sorter we found at the beginning for one of our employees who does the beads now. And I have to say, the last item in here is one of my favorite things on the planet, the metal dies, which again, I will have a video if it's out. If it's not out already, I will have a video showing how to use these very soon. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna try to learn from last time and like make these in a way that we can kind of flip through them easily. These are beautiful wildflowers. I love, love, love these. We had a bunch of those already. Those are super cute as well. Some more there. Got some pretty flowers. Some jumbo leaves. Ooh, those are gorgeous. More flowers, shabby posies, scribbles, flowers with stems. Oh, that one's backwards. Flower centers. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these like all go together. Blooms and blossoms, more blossoms, Moroccan flower set. Really pretty flowers. More blossoms, flower center, and leaf. These have to all go together, at least some of them, I would think. Super cute. Peach blossoms. Is that a thing? Wow, those are pretty. And those. So that'll do it for bin number 14. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.